Okay, we're going to do block number 3. Of course, as usual, open up your Sketchup, more, drag down, double click. Number 3, there's little squares or boxes on your sheets. It says at the bottom grid spacing is 0.5 inches. We're going to make them 1 inch. It's just going to be easier if we make them all 1 inch. There's a bunch of different ways you can do this, right? Okay, I already deleted the guy. All right, you can start with the rectangle if you want. I don't know. Let's start with the pencil once and do a little different. And we can start going. So we can just kind of sketch along what it is. In this case, we're going to go up on the blue axis, 1, hit 1 and enter. I'm going to slide over up the green axis and push 1 and enter. We're going to move it up the blue axis, 1 and enter. We're going to go over the green again, 1 and return. We're going to bring it down, click, and then fill in this one here to there. And that just made that shape right there. That's the front, if you notice on 3. Now, I did that with the pencil. We could have also done it, let's back up. Could have done it with the rectangle tool, this one here. We could have started and went up, blue. I want to go up, so we kind of want to just turn. Now I have a mess. Just back up, forward, 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 forward. Now we can push-pull that this way. How many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can type in 8. Enter. It's that shape there. And I can draw a line. Start here. We know it's 3 blocks, so we can go 3. Enter. Didn't work very well. Let's use the tape measure. Click there and up the line, 3, enter. Now you see the little dot there. You can use a pencil. That dot there like that. Make sure it's on the green axis. Make sure it's green, in other words. Okay. Or you could have used the rectangle, started here. Start drawing it up and type in 3, 1, 3, 1 like we've been doing. Okay, it looks like that gets raised up 1. Actually, let's raise it up 3. 3, enter. Now I'm going to take this little tool here and I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to draw a rectangle going along here. You know we go the whole way, that's 5, so we can put in 5, comma, and it looks to me like 2. Push, pull it out, looks like 2. Hit this tool here and turn around. That looks pretty much like that picture, pretty close. That was pretty simple. Okay, now we just need to put a couple holes in. I'll use this one right here, and it looks like the hole goes about right there, and it's 1. Yeah, looks like it's doing a radius, so let's go 0.5. Enter. Okay, and up here, same thing, 0.5, push pull, start to pull it through, right to there, pull it down to there, and there we have, that's it, that's all there is to it. It's drawn. It's that fast, that easy. Okay, that's one way to do it. I'm going to back up. We also could have done it this way. We start with the rectangle tool. Going this way, and it looks to me like when we pull it all the way down here, it's going to be 8 we had, right? Comma 2. And we're going to push pull that up. 1. And I'm going to take the pencil and I'm going to find the blue mark there and go to the blue mark here. That's the midpoint. I'm going to push pull. I'm going to pull that up. You pull it up 1. We kind of have the same spot we did before. And then we can use the rectangle or the pencil, or let's just do the rectangle. You can either start here and pull it 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. 5, comma 1. Okay, that gives you there. Or you could start here and go this direction, and it's going to be 3, comma 1. Either way, you get the same spot. And we're going to pull that up. And it's got to go up 3. Right. And then we can draw a rectangle. We can draw it on the back, or we can draw it here if we want. It's got to be. It's going the wrong way. It's going to be easier to do it on the back. So let's just click this thing and turn it around here a little bit. Rectangle. And we can see it's going on the back. You can see the green, and then that's got to be 5, comma 2. Or, let's try something different there. Let's rotate it around here a little bit. Let's not do the rectangle. So let's back up. No rectangle. All right, we're going to go down. It's got to go down 2. So use the pencil, click and start going down and type 2, return, and then come over. Didn't work. Tape measure. 2, return, pencil, up the green, the red line, push pull it out 2. That's one way to do it. We can go back, erase that dotted line, erase. We can back up. Done with the rectangle. And the same thing we did, 5, 2, pull, 2, turn this little dial here, turn it, hit that and go to circle, do a circle here, 0.5, here 0.5, this one's in the wrong place, should be over here. Eraser, pull, always go to File, Save As, three. Okay. Make sure you select your folder. 7th or 8th grade, whatever it is, select.